Hi guys, welcome to another video. My name is Purya and I'm going to introduce you to the new MacBook Air M1. Apple's first MacBook with its homemade Apple Silicon, the very famous M1 chip. It took Apple decades to develop their own CPU chip, so it deserves some special attention, and that's why I'm going to unbox it together with you guys and review this device based on my first impression. I ordered this device end of November and received it on January 11th. Due to the high demand, the shipping took over 6 weeks, but it's finally here. From outside it looks pretty much the same like its predecessor. I bought the base model as it completely serves my needs. It starts at 1,129 euros to all the way up to 2,279. Apple also offers student discounts, which would lead to a price of 1,062 euros for the base model. Let's open the packaging and see what we find inside. So here we have the MacBook Air in space gray. You can choose between 3 colors: space gray, gold and silver. Underneath we have the USB-C cable for charging, the power adapter which comes in the usual design, and some paper including the famous stickers which help you to transform every device into an Apple device. Now let's open the MacBook Air. Let's get rid of the packaging first. And if we open it, we can see that it exactly matches with all of the predecessors. But the real game changer is the performance of the new M1 chip. Apple entered the notebook market with a very powerful device for around 1,000 euros. Many might say that Apple products are expensive and not worth the money. However, I think this time it's different. The MacBook Air eliminates almost all notebooks in its category. Most of them have a higher price tag. All product reviews are praising the new Apple device, and I can only confirm that the new MacBook Air M1 is a real powerhouse and really silent, as there is no fan. However, I was a little bit surprised by the poor webcam quality in low light. On the left hand side you can see my image in the new MacBook Air M1, and on the right side you can see the webcam from my MacBook Pro from 2011. Considering that the MacBook Air is almost 10 years ahead, I'm really shocked by the small difference when it comes to webcam quality. Otherwise, the device made a great first impression and I didn't encounter any other issues yet. Thank you guys for watching and make sure you subscribe to our channel. See you guys next time. Bye!